Well, it seems like it's been raining for at least a month, if not longer. So I've not been able to get down there and finish that, but that's shaping up pretty decent. I think we've had some wind. We have had some wind. It's got crazy. It's kind of chilly. Probably 35 degrees and dropping. I'll walk out here on the back deck, make a quick little video. This is how it's looking in Kentucky right now. Wet, cold, crappy. Whew. Yeah, wet, cold, and crappy. That's the three words of the day. Whew. Wet, cold, and crappy. Whew. Burr. Oh, there comes a UPS man down the road. Hammer down, buddy. Ooh. Yeah, it's kind of chilly. Let's go look out the front here. Kind of been hibernating today, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's cold out here too. Need to get down and get the tractor fired up. Next halfway decent warm day we get, I'll do that. I've been starting in about a month. Yeah. Limb down. Gonna have to do something with that. That oak tree is, she's an old one. And she's dropping a few limbs here and there. Get a stiff wind, it'll drop a limb or two. Golly. Oh, I'm getting old and soft. I'm going to go back in. Yep. Ooh. Quick little weather update from the old Kentucky stead here. Yeah, we're at 36 degrees. Is that what that says? Yep. 36. Whew. 74 in here, that ain't bad. We'll take it. Alright, guys. Appreciate everybody watching this little quick It's Colder Than Crap update. We'll talk to you later. Kentucky Stat out.